What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, science fans, and welcome to SHE-ensya. Our topic for today is the science of makeup. Hello, science fans, and welcome to my bedroom. For today, we will be shooting our session here so that we can talk about the different components of the makeup items I use every day. So I start my makeup routine by putting on a primer, and I use the Elana Daily Defense Color Correcting Makeup Primer. So as I mentioned before, my skin has irregular coloring. Some are pretty red, some are brown, and so on. So a primer helps smoothen the surface of your skin, while at the same time it allows the makeup to stick better to your face, so you don't have to retouch as often. The Elana primer has cyclopentasiloxane, which is an organosilicon liquid that is colorless and is slightly volatile. It is non-toxic and does not pose a danger to the environment. It provides a matte finish to the skin. It also has hydrogenated polyisobutene, which is a synthetic oil that is used as a mineral oil substitute. It has low toxicity, it is a non-skin irritant, and has no danger to the environment. It keeps the skin hydrated. After putting on my primer, I then put on my mineral powder, which is also by Elana. What I like about the Elana brand is it sticks well to my skin, which, as I mentioned before, is pretty oily. But apart from that, their production is primarily vegan and cruelty-free. So it means that they don't test on animals, and at the same time, they also don't use substances or chemicals that are animal-based. So those two don't always come hand on hand. The Elana Mineral Foundation contains zinc oxide, which is an inorganic white powder that is insoluble in water and is widely used as an additive, including in food. It is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. In makeup, it is used for UV protection and mattifies oily skin. The foundation also has magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a form of vitamin C that is non-toxic and safe to the environment. It is added in makeup for its antioxidant properties. After putting on my foundation, I then work on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are actually pretty thick, so I don't need to work on it a lot. So I actually use the Face Shop's Designing Eyebrow Pencil. And what I like about it is that in one pencil, you have the coloring end on one side, and you have the brush that keeps your eyebrows organized on the other end. My issue about Face Shop, however, is it's neither vegan nor cruelty-free. To be fair, I'm neither vegan nor vegetarian, mostly because I would like to honor the fact that my digestive system is that of an omnivore, and I recognize that some nutrients that I need in my body can only be acquired from eating animal food. However, I don't think makeup is an essential need, so I'm not very comfortable inflicting unnecessary harm to animals when it's not for something essential. The Face Shop Eyebrow Pencil has zinc stearate, which is a zinc soap or is a metal salt of a fatty acid that repels water. It is used to stabilize the pigment in the mixture and has low toxicity. The eyebrow pencil also has tocopherol, which is an organic form of vitamin E. It is non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and is a known antioxidant. So after putting on my eyebrows, the next thing I do is put a little bit of blush on my face. My face goes from zero to tomato really quickly. So I try not to put on a lot so that I don't end up looking like a clown. So I actually use the Face Shop's Marble Beam blush because it sticks to my face really well. I don't have to put more of it over lunch or during breaks just so it stays on my face. Okay. And just like my eyebrow pencil, since it's from Face Shop, it's also neither vegan nor cruelty-free. The Marble Beam blush has titanium dioxide, which is the naturally occurring oxide of titanium and is insoluble in water. It poses little to no risk to the environment, but if inhaled in large amounts, is a potential carcinogen. It is used as a pigment and sunscreen. After putting on my blush, the next thing that I do is to moisturize my lips before putting on my lipstick. This prevents any cracking from happening, and you see, if you put on lipstick to cracked lips, the pigment tends to accumulate on the areas of the cracks and it doesn't really look good. So it's very important to stay hydrated and moisturized so that your lipstick doesn't look bad. Okay? So for this purpose, I use another Face Shop product, particularly the lip care stick. Okay? When I'm not going anywhere important, I usually just use this instead of putting on lipstick because it's odorless, it actually tastes nice, and it's non-toxic.
This lip balm actually has beeswax, which is a natural wax produced by honeybees. It controls the viscosity of the lip balm and is a natural moisturizer. This prevents the lip balm from being vegan because activists would argue that bees are abused in the process of harvesting this item.
So now that my lips are moisturized, I get to put on my lipstick. I usually use a MAC lipstick, and for these past few months, I've been using the Marrakesh blend, which was a special edition pigment that they released for the 2020 Chinese New Year. What I like about MAC is if you just put on a thin layer, it's already highly pigmented, so you don't really have to put on too much of it. Also stays long on your face, which is nice because again, I'm very lazy when it comes to retouching my face. But apart from that, MAC is generally cruelty-free, which some might actually contend with, mostly because they sell to China. And China is one of the countries that do not allow the selling of makeup that has not been tested in animals. But in the credit of MAC, they don't own their own actual animal testing facility, and instead, when their products are shipped to China, another facility tests it out for them.
MAC lipsticks have diisostearyl malate, which is an ester that has low toxicity and is safe for the environment. It is an emollient, which means it makes the skin soft and smooth. They also have octyl-dodecanol, which is a clear, colorless, long-chain fatty acid. It's a synthetic ingredient that has low toxicity and is environmentally friendly. It is also an emollient, but it also helps prevent the lipstick formula from separating into its oil and liquid components.
I hope you were able to learn something about the complex chemistry and science behind makeup. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to message me, your resident Filipina scientist, in the comments section below. Also, if you're interested to watch more science goodness, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and see you around!